I just want to tell you, whoa, that's really loud. I want to tell you a tiny bit about the piece that we're about to play. This is called Rippling Watercolors. This is actually one of my favorite slow pieces ever. And what it's supposed to be about is thinking about if you're at a lake and the water is really still in the morning, how you can take your finger and touch the water and create a ripple that'll be felt all the way across the pond, all the way to the very other side. So it's how one tiny ripple affects everything that it comes across. And so we talked about this piece affects us, and we're hoping that it's going to affect you too. I know they put a ripple through my life with how they've been this entire weekend. Your kids are incredible. So we hope you enjoy rippling watercolors.